Money is everywhere. We use it every day. It's important to understand how money works. You need to learn how to manage your money well. This is called financial literacy. When you're financially literate, you can make your money work for you. Start by looking at how much money you earn. Also look at how much money you spend. Keep track of every dollar. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or an app. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to taking control. Next, create a budget. A budget is a plan for your money. It tells your money where to go. List your income and your expenses. Be sure to include everything. Decide how much you will spend in each category. Sticking to your budget takes discipline. Don't overspend. If you are tempted to buy something you don't need, remind yourself of your goals. Are you saving for a house? Do you want to retire early? Keep your goals in mind. Do you know where your money goes each month? Many people don't. It's easy to waste money without realizing it. Little expenses add up over time. That daily coffee might seem insignificant, but it could be costing you hundreds of dollars each year. Identify your spending triggers. These are the things that make you want to spend money. Maybe you shop when you're stressed. Perhaps you buy things to impress others. Once you know your triggers, you can avoid them. Look for ways to cut expenses. Can you bring your lunch to work instead of eating out? Are you getting the best rate on your car insurance? Could you switch cell phone plans and save money? Small changes can make a big difference over time. Avoid impulse purchases. Don't buy something just because it's on sale. If you didn't need it before, you don't need it now. Wait 24 hours before making a purchase. This will give you time to think about it. Setting financial goals is crucial. Goals give you something to work towards. They help you stay motivated. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. An emergency fund is essential. This is money you set aside for unexpected events. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Having an emergency fund will give you peace of mind. You'll know you can handle whatever life throws your way. Paying off debt should be a top priority. Debt can be a huge burden. It can prevent you from reaching your financial goals. Make a plan to pay off your debt as quickly as possible. Start with the debt that has the highest interest rate. Section 4. Start investing today. Investing your money is crucial for building wealth. Don't wait to start investing. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest is your friend. It's the process of earning interest on your interest. There are many different ways to invest. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. The best investment strategy for you will depend on your individual circumstances. Consider your risk tolerance, your time horizon, and your financial goals. If you're not sure how to get started with investing, seek professional advice. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized investment plan. They can answer your questions and guide you on your investment journey. Section 5. Secure your future. Mastering smart spending leads to financial freedom. It's about having control over your money. It's about being able to achieve your financial goals. When you manage your money wisely, you create a more secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, but if you stay committed to your goals and make smart financial decisions, you will reach your destination. You will achieve financial freedom. Start today. Take control of your money. Make a plan and stick to it. Your future self will thank you.